Every business in India dreams of sending its products overseas, from textiles in Surat to steel in Jharkhand. Everyone wants their brand to be recognized globally. But winning international buyer is not just about producing goods. It is about building trust, and that is exactly where BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards, plays a crucial role. BIS, more than a domestic regulator. Most people see BIS as an Indian authority for local quality. But in reality, BIS also works as a global trade enabler. Its mark of certification is not just a compliance stamp. It is a passport for products to enter international markets with confidence. Standardization, the global language of trade. Different countries follow different standards. Europe has CE, the US has ASTM, and Japan has GIS. This can confuse exporters, but BIS makes things easier by aligning Indian standards with global benchmarks like ISO and IEC. This means Indian products meet international norms. Exporters don't have to redesign for every market. Buyers abroad instantly recognize the quality. Building trust with buyers. When a buyer in Europe or Africa sees a BIS certified product, they know it has passed test, audit, and strict quality checks. This reduces the risk of goods being rejected at ports and increases buyer confidence. BIS certification acts like a trust badge for exporters. BIS testing and certification labs. BIS has developed a strong network of labs in sectors like electronics, steel, textiles, and food. These labs test products before they leave India. Many countries also recognize BIS test reports under mutual recognition agreements, which makes exports smoother and faster. BIS and WTO rules. The World Trade Organization prevents countries from unfairly blocking imports. Through the TBT agreement, that is, technical barriers to trade, nations are asked to follow global standards. BIS represents India in these international forums, ensuring Indian products are not stopped at borders due to different standards. Now the real success stories of BIS in exports, food and agriculture. Basmati rice and Indian spices are globally trusted because BIS aligns with Codex food standards. Steel and construction. BIS certified steel is accepted in the Middle East and Africa. Electronics and IT. BIS certification ensures mobile phones, laptops, and gadgets face fewer entry barriers in Southeast Asia and Europe. Helping small and medium enterprises. Big exporters can handle international compliance, but small businesses often struggle. BIS provides training, simplified certification schemes, and support programs for MSMEs, ensuring they too can reach foreign markets. BIS and Brand India. Every BIS certified product builds the image of Made in India as reliable and high quality. This strengthens India's position against competitors like China, Germany, and the US in the global market. BIS in trade agreements. India is signing free trade agreements, that is FTAs, with countries like the UK, UAE, and EU. BIS ensures that Indian exporters do not face hidden quality barriers in these agreements, making trade deals more practical and beneficial. Future of BIS in export growth. BIS is expanding its role in areas like electric vehicles and batteries, renewable energy and solar panels, medical devices and healthcare products, green trade and sustainability standards. This future focus ensures Indians' products remain globally competitive. BIS, India's silent export partner. Behind every successful export story, there is a BIS ensuring quality, safety, and credibility. It reduces risk, builds trust, and opens new global opportunities. With BIS, Indian goods don't just travel abroad. They compete, win, and represent India proudly on the world stage. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.